Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Lamp Boy. Today I'm just going to do a video on this SL lamp of how to strip down the lighting plate and take the terminal posts out and whatnot and change the wire. Lots of questions on Facebook. How do these work? It's not, you know, the current's not flowing through the wire and whatnot. So we'll have a quick look and see what there is inside it. I've got my lighting device for later on. So we'll just make a start and dismantle this lamp. So it's like most protectors, the bottom just unscrews. In fact, I did a video of this a while back. But yeah, sliding wire slides down, bonnet off, glass and gauzes out, and then you've got the lighting plate here. So I'll just point this out. I'll point a few things out. You've got a lighting plate here. Underneath there's a thin washer, Bakelite I think it is. You've got two lighting posts that the wires connect to. One of these, let me just zoom in a little bit if we can get a bit closer. This one here has got a little fibre washer under it. That's to insulate this post from this bit here, and I believe this screw goes all the way through to the bottom underneath into there, but we'll have a look in a sec. So basically your lighting circuit is this brass, and it goes underneath the insulating washer on this steel plate here, up through this post, down through the wire, down this post to this bit here to make the circuit. The wire that I'm using is Canthal 24 gauge. It's you find it in vape shops. It's a really good wire. It doesn't burn through. So let's just have a closer look and start taking this apart. So you've got a screw here that holds the plate down, and that as well has a fibre washer on it. So just unscrew that there. And I'll put that in a little tray here so we don't lose that. And then one of these, I think it's this one here, that holds the plate in place as well. So we'll just unscrew that screw there. Take that out. There's another screw here. We'll unscrew that as well. And then underneath, the lighting's not so brilliant today, but there's a screw here. And that's the second screw that holds the plate in place, so we'll just unscrew that there. You see, that screw that I've undone there is on this post here that's come off, but it's got the little fibre washer on it, so that's creating insulation so that you can create a circuit. So I'll just take that screw out there. It's just that screw there. So the glass lighting plate comes off. I'll just put this little fibre washer safe. So in this bit here you've got a I think it's a Bakelite washer. You can buy these still on eBay, or there's people that sell them on the groups that have lamp spares and whatnot. So that insulates the brass from this part here, and then you've got another little screw there that'll remove that post there. So if you buy a SL lamp, say for example on eBay, and you can't get it to work, it'll probably be because all these need a good clean, because they've not been used in years. They'll be tarnished and whatnot. There'll be no no circuit. Just take that out there. So that's your Bakelite washer. It's really thin. These are normally fragile, so just be careful with them. So yeah, so if you get your SL lamp and it won't work, first of all I would just give everything a really good clean, and if at all possible and you've got a circuit tester, I would use a circuit tester to make sure you can get a circuit on that. Right, so we'll just put this back together now. I don't know if there's a right way or wrong way to that, but anyway, I'll just line the holes up on that. That's better. So let's have a look at this. So that's your lighting plate there. I would give everything that a really good clean on both sides, and that'll go back in there. And so we'll just pop that back in there. Line the holes up, and then let's have a look what I've got left here. So that screw will go back in there. Bit fiddly trying to do this with the camera as well, but just bear with me a sec. In fact, so I've just put a stick in there to get the hose lined up. It's proper fiddly as this, but just bear with me. It's a bit of a faff. 2 secs. Oh, sorry guys, I'm trying to get this on video and it's a bit of faff, but that's it. I finally managed to get the screw in there. So when you put it back together, when you're screwing these in, don't over tighten them, because you might need to move this little plate a little bit. So that's one screw in there. This screw went in on the other side, so it went in underneath, so we're just going to put that through the hole there. Now, this is the important part. That had a washer on it, a little fibre washer there. So we'll put that on there. That's on there. So a little post now screws onto there. So we'll just screw that in. Right. So that's nice and tight now. We can tighten up the other one. So we've just got the 2 wires to put back on there. Well, sorry, we've just got to put the wire across the 2 posts. So I put my screw through the wire there, so I've got my wire. So if you get any cancel wire, you'll get it in like 1 metre length or 2 meters. Just cut a piece off and then make. What I did was I bent the wire to shape, and it made it much easier. So just get them in the post there. Again, a bit tricky while I'm trying to do it on the video, but oh, that's one out. So I'll just get that in there, and then I'll try and just screw it in. Again, it's really tricky to do this. It keeps falling out of my hands. Let's have another go. So I've got one screwed in there, just part way, and I'll get the other one into place. So they're both in now, and we'll just tighten them up. So that's back together how it was taken apart. So just get my lighting thing, my lighting device, and that wire should glow when I put this on. And it's not glowing, so there's a problem there. What's the problem? Right guys, a bit of head scratching there because I couldn't get it to light, but I'd done something wrong, and I'm going to show you what I'd done wrong. So when you put this back together, this screw here, let's see if I can get a better close-up of that. That screw there has an insulating washer underneath, and I'd use that screw for one of these posts so it wouldn't make a circuit. So when you put this back together, this post has an insulating washer underneath it, and this screw here has an insulating washer underneath it, and then when it's all put back together correctly, the wire should, there you are, it's glowing now. So that is how you that is how you strip that down to clean it. The main thing with this is that when you take it apart, you've four screws, you've two tiny little insulating washers. So when you take it apart, if you've got something like this, or a little container that you can put the bits in so you don't lose them, that makes it even easier. And then it's just when you take it apart, it's just a reverse putting it back. So we'll just stick this together now and see if I can light this lamp. I've put some fuel in it, and then in fact, put the washer back in there. There's a lot of people like these SL lamps, quite a lot of people collecting them. And they're a nice lamp if you can get it working. If you look at my other videos that I've got a video already showing you how to strip down the SL, and I did a video showing how I made a lighting device. So we'll just see if this lights now. There, that's lit there. I'll just screw that down a bit. So yeah, so hopefully if anybody is interested in stripping down the SL to get it working, hopefully this video will help you on that way. So thank you for watching again, many thanks, see you next time, bye bye.